The new CNC is here. Great. Now you have to get all your old G-code running in the old machine, running in the new machine. How to do that? Repost? Reprogram? Wake up, dude. The innovative and pioneering Kipware G-code conversion software has you covered. Quickly, easily, and automatically convert G-code between different CNC formats with Kipware. No reposting, no reprogramming, and no downtime. So if you bought a new CNC, go from unpacking to production faster and easier with the innovative and groundbreaking Kipware G-code conversion software. Explore the new world of CNC programming at www.kipware.com.